What if answering 10,000 queries a month didn't take a full support team, but just 3 seconds? That's exactly what Chevening achieved. Chevening is the UK government's flagship scholarship program. Every year, it helps exceptional individuals with leadership potential from over 160 countries to pursue their postgraduate studies in the UK. But with global reach comes global demand. Chevening was receiving thousands of inquiries on their website, most of them asking the same questions about eligibility, deadlines, and the application process. Applicants who couldn't find the answers had to submit a contact form and wait. On average, it took up to 3 days to get a response. And during admission season, the volume soared to over 100,000 queries a month, overwhelming the team and making students wait very long for answers. That's when Chevening turned to WotNot. We built them a smart AI agent, trained using past email responses from their support team, along with internal documents from where agents drafted responses. It was placed directly on applicant-specific pages, ready to answer questions 24/7. And if the applicant's query went unresolved, the bot redirected them to fill out a form for further assistance, which was taken up manually. Their team would also use WotNot's custom answers feature to guide the bot with the right answers, so that it would answer it correctly the next time someone asks for it. The impact was immediate. Within just 70 days of its launch, the AI chatbot handled over 365,000 conversations, helping thousands of applicants get instant answers. It achieved an impressive 94% answer accuracy, earning a customer satisfaction score of 4.8 out of 5. By automating repetitive queries, Chevening saved more than 4,450 support hours and reduced operational costs by $180,000. All of this translated into a remarkable 1,960% return on investment, all while bringing the average response time down from 3 days to under 3 seconds. Today, Chevening is expanding the chatbot across their website, making sure help is always just a click away. WotNot helped Chevening deliver a faster, smarter support experience for thousands of students worldwide. Want to do the same for your organization? Book a demo today. The link is in the description.